You speak confidentially. You speak House of Modern English.
Walaikum assalam.
So this is training and today my topic is be real to the one who give you the wings, not who use the wings. And like this, firstly, here I really want to say that yes, here in our time, like there are many of the toilets, there are many of the people that they are using by their own, but they are not seeing this thing that yes, we have to give to the all, but not to just our own self. Because in our country, there are many of the teachers, there are many of the teachers that they are using by their own, but not giving to the others. As like this. But here, we should be thankful that we are having a master. When we are having a master, we should be thankful. As like this, here, I'm just spreading in front of you already is what is happening. I am making you all explain that yes, what is happening in our country. The people, more and more, without describing to others, they are just using by their own. Why? Because in the real, they don't want to give you. They are just showing that if I give you example of a dollar, if the dollar would be there, if you will fall down, even he will make you fall down. If you will fall down, but still he will give you hand, but in the reality he doesn't want to give you. If he will give you hand, on that time he will just take off his hand and beg you down again. As like this. In our life there are many of those, but never believe on those that they are just doing as that. They are just using by their own without giving us. But we should be thankful we are having a master. When we are having a master, why we should care? As like this. Because when he gives me too much milk, not just to me, to all of you. As like this. Here, as now I give you examples about the teachers. So as like this now, I am also ready to give the example of my master. Because my master gives to you all. And he just not only really want to give his own. Now today, when he doesn't give to us, so why I am standing here? If he doesn't give to us, so why we all are standing here? Why we all are sitting as like a champion? Why? Because when he has given, that's why we are here. But the people, the teachers, they are the fake ones, they are the dollars ones, never believe on them. Because they will also try, they will always try to make you down. They will always give you another answer. They will always be jealous from you that why you are too much better. And like if now I am learning from my master on that time, there were many of the teachers, they would be hating us. They would be hating our master because our master has led too much will that he is now becoming our master, and now he has given us too many wings. Now we are going to fly. Now the days when we were seeing the match of others, and today the people are seeing our match here. As like this. Because why? When I was small, when I was a child, when I was young, on that time I also didn't play. But when I see all of these, then how they are playing, then how they are getting it, how they are going to be fly. And now today, when I was seeing those match, today now I am playing that match. And now today I am going to fly now, not just on the other. Today I am going to be fly. Why? Because my master gives me. As like in my whole presentation, I spread about my master that yes, my master gives me, my master takes my will. As like and today always remember that today I am going to fly. And until I will not leave my home, until the daughter will come. Because I will never leave my home until anything will happen. But I will never leave my home. Thank you very much.
Okay, miss, as you are talking about our master, that yeah, he is giving the wings to the student, he gives the wings to you, and you are comparing him to the other teacher who they are not providing the wings to their students. You know, miss, if everybody would start to provide the wings to their student, and everybody will start to motivate their student, so on that time the day our country would not be underdeveloped. But you are living in underdeveloped country. You will everywhere face that kind of people who will just dose you, who will just demotivate you, who will never let you to fly. Even you have a wing, they will cut your wings as well. And then after you are saying about our master, that's all the thing. You know what you think about those students who they are getting the wings of our master as well, and then after who are getting the wings from our master, and then after they are using their power against of that person. What do you think? He is also providing the wings to them. Then what the outcome the student is giving to him, that is also matter. That's it.
Okay, so now Miss, he's saying to me that yes, what about those people who are getting, but they are then becoming a demotivators, and what about those people who are not respecting their master, and you are considering our master and belonging our master to the other teachers. Okay. So Miss, here, I am not comparing my master to the other teachers. Okay? I just said that there is no one else like our teacher. Is that any comparing? No. Because when I am appreciating